Mayeni and Macele, they are being rude to Makhumalo than Mangwabe. We didn't see Mayeni had a fight with Mangwabe. She can had a fight with Macele or Makhumalo, especially Makhumalo. Maybe Makhumalo was too soft to them. That's why they are being rude to her since season 1 until season 9. But Mangwabe is a kind of person who doesn't give a joke to them. Even Mangwabe came after them, but they know that Mangwabe have got boundaries, doesn't want people to give a joke to him. Makhumalo was pleasing them all the time. When they insult Makhumalo, tomorrow Makhumalo want to fix things. Yes, Makhumalo is an understanding person that when they fight today, it's not about tomorrow. They are not talk to each other. Musamseleku, that's why he was used to being rude to Makhumalo than Mangwabe. Mangwabe, when you fight with her, Mangwabe doesn't forget and she doesn't forgive a person very easily. Mangwabe can spend many times without talking to you, or maybe you can ask yourself, those things happened long time ago. But Mangwabe can say it. Mangwabe is a kind of person who can keep things than Makhumalo. That's why they are very rude to Makhumalo. They know that when they insult Makhumalo, Makhumalo tomorrow can come and talk to them. But that person will lose patience. You know that people who have got a patience, too much patience, you are being used to abuse that person. One day is one day. When they don't want to do with you anymore, they will never come back. So that's why they are used to being rude to Makhumalo every time. They know that Makhumalo can come again or to attend family meetings without complaining. And you are talking to Makhumalo like you didn't insulting with her. They are very rude to Makhumalo. Even when they are fighting with the Musamseleku, they are always mentioning Makhumalo's name or to involve Makhumalo. So it was very difficult to hear. But I love the new Makhumalo. That new Makhumalo of season 8. That Makhumalo started responding to Musamseleku. Musamseleku didn't expect that Makhumalo is going to respond him in such a way on season 8. And Makhumalo started changing. And maybe he was expecting that maybe it's for today, tomorrow it will change. But Makhumalo never changed, because sometimes you can be rude to a person to take advantage of your kindness. But one day that person will be patient enough and say, this is enough. I don't want to tolerate anything anymore. That's why you saw Macele and Mayeni, they don't insult Makhumalo on season 9. I love the new Makhumalo who doesn't force things, who doesn't beg for to be in a relationship. It's enough, guys. Since season 1 until season 8, Makhumalo was patient enough, guys. And Musamseleku, even he wanted to do whatever you can do with Makhumalo, to insult Makhumalo in front of his wives. And tomorrow can come again to say, Makhumalo, we have to plan. I have got a party, I've got a ceremony, we have to plan what. But I love the new Makhumalo. Even the way Makhumalo react on awards, people are blaming why Makhumalo didn't clap a hands for her husband Musamseleku. No, there is no need to clap hands or to pretend anything to a person who is always humiliating you in front of your wives. And they are pretending like they are happy. Macele was not okay by the way they are doing, because the people who teaches how to live, understand it, they teach Makhumalo not to force relationship. If a person doesn't want you anymore. So Musamseleku was complaining why Makhumalo was sitting what. Musamseleku, next time there is no need to invite them to a event, because those people, they are no longer being interested with him. Even we saw now they are together on event. We saw the photo. Maybe we'll see it on season 10. They are shooting maybe the content, we don't know. So Makhumalo was so serious. Maybe Musamseleku was the one who forced Makhumalo to take a picture, because Makhumalo was looking like she was forced. Makhumalo was very serious.